Hello guys, welcome to Dev Studio Pro. Today we'll learn how to handle props in React 18 with TypeScript. So in this video, we'll cover what props are in React, how to define props with TypeScript interfaces, setting default values and handling optional props. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more React and TypeScript tips. Alright, so props are how you pass data from a parent component to a child component in React, and TypeScript makes this process more reliable by enforcing type check. So let's define a prop interface to specify the structure of our props. So before we actually do that, I'd love to create a folder in this source folder. Let me just create a folder there. Alright, let me just create a folder called components. All right, so after that, let me just create then a file in this component. We name the file message.txt. All right, so as you can see, this is how I love to structure my code. Yes, to make it more organized, first of all, I have to create a folder called component. This is where this folder will contain all the components. All right, so okay, let's go ahead. All right, let's name it message, like always, message. Great. So now I've created our components. Let's just quickly define the interface in TypeScript. Let's define an interface right now. Interface, name it props. All right, let's set the names. Name property. Name should be string. Age, it should be a number. Alright, and on change should be a function that take item as input, item of type string as an input, and return void. Alright, so in TypeScript you ensure that you're passing the correct types. For example, name, if you can look at these properties, you can notice that name must be a string, age must be a number, and unchanged must be a function. So you can actually pass function as a props. Alright, then make it optional. Alright, so props is an input passed to a component. So the simple question is, how can we be able to pass that to a component? We can pass it down to a component by giving this component a parameter called props of type props. Right, so let's write something in this HTML content. Alright, so that's it. Okay, great. So you can see we have passed down the props to our components. The one thing left, we have to notify the app components of this information that we just passed. Alright, so let's go to the app component and add this component. Add this component. All right, so you notice that this app component is already yelling at us, saying that this component expects two parameters, which is name and age. So I have to write it there. Remember, name would be a string, Benjamin. Age, it should be an age is number, right? Number 28. Right, So that's it. So that is how you pass props from a parent component or a consumer component, a parent component down to this child component. So that's it. And also, I think there is a better way to to pass these props to these components. You can destructure these props right away. And destructure and grab name, the props that we're going to use, name and age here. Once you do that, you can come here and remove these props here. So we are accessing it direct. We destructure it in order to grab the actual property. No need of props dot name again. So that's it. That's how you pass props down to our components. And we should treat these props as read only. Is immutable, means it cannot be changed. You cannot redefine name here and set name as something else. No, it's read only. So that's it. Okay, so let's test our code. All right, npm run dev. So this will start our web server at port 5173, right? So you can see my name is Benjamin. I'm 28 years old. It means our program is working. All right. So, and you can also set a default. You can make a name optional. Make name optional. No, age optional, and set a default value to it is 27. All right, so 27. So age here is optional. Let me just clear this age. All right, so if you don't set age here, you notice that TypeScript compiler will not be yelling at you because you made it optional. So why, if you go back to web server and notice that my name is Benjamin, I'm 28 years old. Okay, one more thing before we finish this class. There is a special prop in React that all components support. Is called children. So if you name a property a children, you can pass it as a child to a parent component. Let me just comment out this props interface. Let me show what I meant. Let me just comment it out. Or let me just clear it. Yeah, I don't need it anymore. Let's just define another props. Call this one special props. All right, name children. Name children of type strange. Okay. Let's just clear these comments, clear this thing out. We don't need it anymore. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Let's just pass it as a child to the parent component. Alright. So instead of here, we're going to put it here. Hello, my name is Benjamin. My name is Benjamin. So you can see how I pass it in this, as a child, not here again. I just pass it as a child to a parent component. So, and again, if you want to pass the children as HTML content to a parent component, what you have to do is to rename this to ReactNode. ReactNode. So you can be able to pass some HTML around here. Alright, so let's write some HTML content. So that's it. So if you go to our web server, it should be working perfectly. Yes. Alright, so that's it. I think there's one more tip I want to share with you. If you don't want to define your interface here, your props interface here, you can do it right here with a special class in React called PropWithChildren. Where is it? Where is it again? Yeah, see it here. PropWithChildren. Do something. So let me just remove this ReactNode. Yes, so that's it. That's it. If you go to your web server again, everything is working, should be working, everything is working perfectly. So that's it. Okay, that's it. You have seen how to define and use props with TypeScript in React. It's a powerful way to catch errors early and write reliable code. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos like this. See you in the next one. Thank you.